So this photo made the rounds on social media today, and for good reason. This couple couldn't have dinner yesterday inside Mama Ricotta's in Charlotte, so they made their own setup in the restaurant's parking lot. Anchor Susanna Black tracked down Charles and Suzanne Shepard, and they said they love to eat out, and Mama Ricotta's is an all-time favorite for many of us. So before the stay-at-home order was placed, they decided to eat outside. And they bought out a card, table, silverware, and even checkered tablecloth.
The weather had been so bad, so it just felt like a sweet gift that it was a nice evening, and it's kind of our last opportunity to do that for a few weeks. And so yeah, we definitely enjoyed the evening. So we had a little jazz music playing in the background, and then we watched a little Jeopardy.
That's really sweet. They've been married for 37 years and said spur of the moment dates like this could be the secret to a long marriage and getting through this pandemic.